All right, everybody, I've restored hundreds of motors, and this is my favorite, the 1958 Johnson 18 horsepower. I've cranked on this thing, I just can't get it to pop. I'm not sure what's going on. Watch this. Should be popping. It's not popping. Nothing. Not a pop, not a bang, not a sneeze. Dead silence. I've checked everything. I've checked the big three, right? I've checked compression, I've checked spark, and I'm putting fuel direct up the carb throat. It should pop. It's got me scratching my head. But let's go back over again and let's check the big three. Let's check compression right now. Got my gauge on the top cylinder. Zeroed it out. Let's see what we get. All right, 5 pulls, and I'm right at 120 pounds, 115. Let's go to the bottom cylinder. Zeroed out. Okay, zeroed out. Let's check it. Wow, right at between 115 and 120, about 118. I knew it'd be good. I checked it already. All right, that's the big one. Let's go to the big two. Let's check spark now. Got my handy dandy spark checker here connected, and I got it set to a 1/4 inch gap, which is as good as it gets. Let's pull the rope, see what we get. Wow, that spark will jump a country mile. So, as I thought, we got compression, we got good spark. But a spray pop up the center of it and no go. We're gonna have to trace out that spark and see if there's not something wrong with the actual assembly when I put it all together. Let's trace it out. So I've got compression and I've got spark and I'm feeding it with fuel. The spark must not be happening at the right time. Could be as simple as the sheared woodruff key in the flywheel making the timing off, but I have to make sure that I've got the wires run correctly. So let's trace out the wiring. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Look what I did. I've got my tie wrap here marking my top cylinder, but it doesn't trace out that way. I've got the wires reversed. A simple mistake as that. Let's reverse them and see if I get a pop now. Oh, you heard it pop? There you go. That's the pop we wanted. I'll be doggone. So my mistake, spark plug was reversed. So when all else fails, go back to basics, all right? Compression, spark, and fuel, but it's got to happen all happen at the right time. So I'm going to reverse my marker here to the other side, and that should take care of this problem. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and check out my website, TMikeVintageOutboards.com. I got all the parts manuals, videos, everything you need.